Bags Journey. So it's Mrs. White again, and today obviously we're going to talk about the Hermes unboxing. But before that, if you're new to this channel talks about all things Hermes. A lot of time I will do unboxing, I'll talk about shopping strategy at Hermes, I'll do some shopping vlog as well, and occasionally I'll talk about different brands like Chanel's or Rolex. I will have Mr. Y here sometimes, so if you guys like all these contents, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I got today, and it's been maybe a little while, and I love getting these items as well. So I don't know which one's which, so let's get started. So by looking at these boxes, you already know it's, I am unboxing shoes. Okay. Ooh, great. Yes. So this is, if you guys been watching my unboxing video, this might look so familiar, right? Yes, this is the Eagery. This is the Eagery. I might not be pronouncing it right, but this is the Eagery sandals. I do have a black one, so if you guys have not yet watched that unboxing videos, I put a link above and down below in the description box. So this is like a Tiffany blue, I want to say, and because I've been wearing it for a while, the black one, and I love it so much, so I really wanted to get the light blue as well, and I'm in size 37. It's actually fit perfectly for me. Normally my size is 37 and half, but with this one, I don't think they have a half size. It's either 37 or 38, so I tried both. Of course, I like the 37 better, and here's the same. It has a lot of edge here, and this one, it's made in Italy. So Italy is known for their shoes, right? So this is awesome. And the reason why I like it so much with the black one, because it fits perfectly, and I actually feel very stable. It's not like a regular sandals where, kind of floppy and stuff like that. It feels like there is some weight, okay? So yeah, and the style of it, I think this is perfect for like a casual day that, just walk out to do some errands. I think it's perfect for the summer. So yeah, if you guys have a pair of these and you love it, please comment below and share with the community what you guys think about the shoes. And of course, the pricing for the shoes, it's also another bargain, right? It's at Hermes, and it's only $295 for a pair of sandals like these. So it's awesome because there are other sandals we're talking about above $600. So this one, it's very good and very reasonable. Hermes tends to price their items very reasonably. They won't jack up the price just because of their brand. They really look at like, oh, the materials and how it's made and everything, and then to give you a fair price. So in this case, I love flip-flops, like, throughout the summer. So there's no hurt of me getting another pair so that I can, match with my clothes. Sometimes, in a very hot summer, you don't want to wear another black one. So
hopefully I can get the watch that I want.
So yeah, I really want like a light color, and hopefully I can get my dream watch. If you guys been watching, Mr. Y's Rolex videos, he probably reviewed, my dream watch, which is the Oyster Pro Patrols with a Tiffany blue bezel. So it's a dial or bezel? Dial, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, my dream watch is the Oyster Pro Patrols with the Tiffany blue dial. So hopefully I'll get that soon. So I can be wearing this, it will be so perfect. So I am still debating whether I should wear this to Vegas. If you guys want me to wear this, please comment below and let me know, or you can follow my IG, and I'm probably gonna post some pictures and ask you guys for some questions, and hopefully you guys can get me some idea what I should be bringing with me. And of course I will be visiting Hermès store, so if you want to watch that shopping vlog, or you know, my little travel vlog, please subscribe to my channels and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, anyways, so now I'm gonna unbox another pair of shoes that I just got recently, that I kind of been debating which one I should get first, but I decided to go with this one. So, yeah, this is the Oasis. Put it here for now, and this is in gold color. So this is their classic Oasis with the gold color with the white stitchings. And the cool thing with this one is this is in the Swift leather instead of the Epsom leather, and this is in size 37.5, so it does come with half sizes. I tried on 37.5 and 38 because it depending on the shoes, and I really wanted to see how fit, you know, the front here is, because sometimes it might be too tight depending on the materials and stuff like that. So when I tried on the 38, it was a little bit too big. Like my toes was technically like right here, and the back was kind of fit, but I think it's a little bit big. So then I'm like, well, let's try it on 37.5, and it fits perfectly. Even my essay was like, yeah, go with this 37.5. So I want to say, if you're considering buying the Oasis, it's the best to buy with your true size, or try on the true size first. And with the Swift leather, it's perfect because it's actually softer here. I feel like I really can wear this. I was very comfortable when I was wearing it. I actually just got off the plane, so I could be a little bit bloated on my feet actually, but when I wear it, it feels like it has a little room for me. So I feel like the way they're doing it, it should be perfect for me. But Mr. Wan mentioned one thing: if this is not Swift leather, if this is an Epsom leather, I might have to go with 38, just because the front will be a little bit too tight. Epsom leather tends to be a little harder. The leather itself is pretty stiff. Sometimes if you have an Epsom leather bag, or in the same style of like Birkin or Kelly, it's actually more stiff. So I'm gonna show you guys my only Epsom leather just to compare the leather. So if you watch my previous unboxing videos, I was unboxing this tarmac passport holder, and this is in Epsom leather with white stitching. So you see, but I think because this one has raw leather material inside, it's actually not as stiff. But if you're imagining, if inside it's also Epsom leather or Swift leather, it's actually gonna be a little more stiff. Okay, it's not gonna be as soft as the Swift leather. That's just how normally it is. But anyways, so lucky that I got the Swift leather version. And another comparison I want to show you guys about gold color with different leather. So I have this Mini Lindy. Also, this one is on Go, and you see this is the Swift leather gold, and compared to the Clemens gold, it's different. So with the Swift leather, it's slightly darker than the Clemens gold. I just want to show you guys this because sometimes I know that SA might just text you and be like, oh, I have this items in gold color. Sometimes they tell you the leather, sometimes they don't. But for you to make a request on anything, I think it's better for you to know how the color looks like in a different leather, okay? Because the color can be very different. And if you want to see the Epsom leather type of gold, this one's actually a lot lighter. But I think it's, I like all three, to be honest. I really do like all three. Surprisingly, I do like the Epsom leather one as well. Because Epsom leather one is so much lighter. As a passport holder, I think it's perfect, okay? For shoes wise, a little bit darker, I think it's perfectly fine. A lot of time I like to wear black shoes. I think this one is very easy to match. If it's this light, it's kind of like, depends, you know, it's a little bit too orange in any cases. So anyways, as a bag, the Clemens leather go, I love it. Okay, if I really want to see now if the gold color it's in Togo leather. So if you guys have a Togo leather bag that's in gold color, please send me a picture, you know, DM me on Instagram. You know, my Instagram, it's Mrs. YX Journey, you know, send it to me, and so I can have an idea if I ever want to request a bag in Togo leather in gold color. Okay, so let me talk about the price for the Oasis in 2022. So I paid $750. So like I mentioned earlier, I was debating between the Oasis or the Oran, but I think eventually I will get the Oran anyways. However, recently I really enjoy wearing sandals with, you know, a wedge or with the heels. Give me a little bit height, because recently I wore some dresses are pretty long. So I feel like wearing a sandal with heels will help, and also it looks better. Okay, and you guys probably know, if you've been following me, I do a lot of business trip this year, so gotta wear something nicer. Okay, kind of treat yourself a little bit, and also like seeing clients, it's just look more professional that way. So I like to wear heels now. For $750, you know, with the all leather, so I think it's perfect. I get the Swift leather to see how it goes. You know, it's perfect for me. So if you haven't heard, I'll be going to Vegas next month in July. So if you guys want to watch a pack with me type of videos, like what I'm going to pack for Vegas, please comment below and let me know, or DM me, or I don't know, comments on my Instagram posts, and let me know, and I can schedule my content and see, you know, when I pack, I will pack with you guys. But I do want to see your interest, so please feel free to comment below and let me know about that. And today's video is a little bit short, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos about shoes. I hope I give you guys a little idea on between the leather options in gold color. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.